Welcome to Harmoni. In this video we'll explore stories. In Harmoni, collections of analyses are called stories. Stories are accessed through Stories in the global menu bar. In the Stories area you can find the stories that you own and stories shared with you. You can also find the stories you have marked as favourites. In this area you can also find options to share a story, export to Excel or PowerPoint, delete or create a copy. Let's create a new story. You can save any view you're interested in. You can save a table, a chart or a dashboard page. To save your view, click on the plus icon next to add a new story. To give your story a name, you need to click on the pencil icon next to the story name. By default, all views are given a name from the across and down axis. You can change the name by selecting the pencil icon next to the view name. Now let's add another view to our story. To save a new view in the same story, click on the plus icon next to the name of the story. As you carry on with your investigation, you can continue adding views to your story, or you can create a new story. Alternatively, you can add a view into another existing story. Our next video, Sharing and Interacting with Stories, explores how you can collaborate and share insights with others. Thanks for watching.